Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to fill out the Paycheck Protection Program (PPP) application with Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're a small business owner or entrepreneur, you know how crucial programs like PPP can be for keeping your operations running smoothly, especially with the latest updates. By 2025, the process has gotten even more streamlined with new digital tools, but it still requires some careful steps to get it right. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you understand what the PPP is. It's a government-backed loan program designed to help businesses cover payroll and other expenses during tough times. With Wells Fargo, the 2025 version includes enhanced online features for easier access. Start by checking your eligibility on the SBA website or Wells Fargo's portal. You'll need to be a U.S.-based business with employees and meet specific revenue criteria. Double-check the latest guidelines to avoid any hiccups. Once you're eligible, log into your Wells Fargo account. If you don't have one, set it up quickly through their app or website. Next, navigate to the PPP section, which is now integrated with AI-assisted forms to make things faster. Gather your documents ahead of time. That includes your business tax returns, payroll records, and bank statements. This step is crucial. Missing docs can delay your application. Now, for the fun part: filling out the form. Wells Fargo's interface is user-friendly, with step-by-step prompts. Enter your business details, calculate your loan amount based on average monthly payroll. Remember, for 2025, the cap might be adjusted, and upload your documents securely. Take your time here to avoid errors, double-check numbers and ensure everything matches your records. After submission, you'll get a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your account for status updates, as processing times can vary. Wells Fargo offers customer support if you run into issues, so don't hesitate to reach out. Wrapping this up, following these steps should make the PPP process with Wells Fargo a breeze in 2025. Always consult a financial advisor for personalized advice, and remember, staying organized is key to success. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.